मान्य सभासदों, मान्य उप सभापति जी।
नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार, नमस्कार जी, नमस्कार। Now, oh, what is that?
I thank Honorable Deputy Chairman.
Thanking
In view
me?
of the fact, I
For
thank
what?
In view of the, I thank Honorable Deputy Chairman. In view of
I
the
thank
fact
you
that
for going there and sitting and allowing me to.
we are always thankful to.
Okay, bolo.
In view of the fact that our demand for discussion on Aircel Maxis deal has been accepted by the Honorable Chairman and the central government, we are not interfering in the proceedings of this House. Thank you.
You wanted it to be. क्या है?
Further, my humble submission is, tomorrow it may be taken up for discussion.
No, that is in the hands of Honorable Chairman. I am only implementing the order.
Yes.
The Honorable Chairman. ठीक है. क्या?
श्री रोहित बेमूला प्रकरण मामले में हमारी पार्टी द्वारा केंद्र सरकार की मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्री की गलत बयानबाजी को लेकर कल और आज भी दिए गए विशेष अधिकार हनन के नोटिस को जिस प्रकार से योजनाबद्ध तरीके से दबाने का प्रयास किया गया है, इसकी हमारी पार्टी कड़े शब्दों में निंदा करती है। और इस संबंध में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी।
You are talking about privilege motion.
हाँ।
Privilege motion.
जी।
Have you given it? दे दिया है?
हाँ, दे दिया है।
दे दिया तो चेयरमैन के
कंसिडरेशन उस संबंध में कहने दीजिए। और इस संबंध में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि केंद्र सरकार की मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्री ने हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी के रहे दलित छात्र श्री रोहित बेमूला की आत्महत्या के मामले में काफ़ी गलत तथ्य माननीय सदन के सामने रखे हैं, जिसे गंभीरता से लेते हुए इस प्रकरण में संबंधित मंत्री के खिलाफ हमारी पार्टी ने नियम 187 के तहत कल और आज भी विशेष अधिकार हनन का नोटिस दिया है। हमारी पार्टी के साथ साथ अन्य विपक्ष की पार्टियों ने भी इस संदर्भ में नोटिस दिया है।
अभी सुनिए,
स्वीकार किया जाए।
मेरे को सुनिए।
और इस मामले में खासकर हमारी 2 मिनट हमारी पार्टी का ये कहना है कि हमारी पार्टी ने हैदराबाद यूनिवर्सिटी के रहे दलित छात्र श्री रोहित बेमूला की खुदकशी के मामले को लेकर दिनांक 24 फरवरी व 26 फरवरी को मानव संसाधन विकास मंत्री से एक महत्वपूर्ण सवाल पूछा था कि इनके मंत्रालय द्वारा दिनांक 2 फरवरी को जो न्यायिक जांच आयोग का गजट नोटिफिकेशन जारी किया गया है,
ये सब पहले बोल चुका है।
सदस्य को नहीं रखा गया है।
आपने पहले बोल चुका है।
गैर कानूनी तरीके से
आपने पहले बोल चुका है।
इन सबका जवाब
प्रिविलेज मोशन चेयरमैन के कंसिडरेशन में है।
इस मामले में
चेयरमैन ने फैसला लेगा, उस समय मैं आपको इंफॉर्मेशन दूंगा। मैं दूंगा इंफॉर्मेशन।
इसके अलावा इस संबंध में अन्य और रखे गए तथ्य भी अधिकांश
कुमारी मायावती जी,
1 मिनट।
और इसके
आपने बोल चुका। रोहित के परिवार वालों ने भी मुझसे मिलकर पुष्टि कर दी है। अर्थात इनके द्वारा दिए गए तथ्यों से भी ये साबित हो जाता है कि संबंधित मंत्री के खिलाफ विशेषाधिकार हनन का मामला बनता है, इसे स्वीकार किया जाए। इसके साथ ही इनको अपनी इस गलत बयानबाजी के लिए सदन से माफी भी मांगनी चाहिए। और इसे हनन नोटिस को कृपया आप स्वीकार करने का कष्ट करें। ऐसे मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है।
नोटिस में है privilege motion, honorable chairman will consider it, then come. Okay, there are other privilege motion also. What is that?
This morning it is not yet taken up. Do I know the status of that motion?
Motion, sir.
No, have you given
I have given a notice.
Privilege motion?
Yes, sir.
If you are given, that is under consideration of the honorable
Please
chairman.
listen to him. What the
No, it's all right. It's come. Tomorrow when it's come.
Sir, please listen what he
No,
has to say.
he has had privilege motion.
No, sir, that is very important, sir.
Okay, sir.
Very important
Why
issue,
no,
sir.
sir?
That is very important issue, sir.
the
It's concerning the chair.
All
concerning the chair, sir.
All privilege concerning the chair. Privilege motion against me.
No, sir.
Okay, then you are.
No, sir, I'm not saying that, sir.
No, sir.
Sir,
Why I
yes,
raised,
sir, this is
why
very
I
important.
raised,
You
sir, the question is, I know this is under your consideration. I know.
What is that?
I gave the privilege motion for what had happened in Kerala University on 26 with deputy chairman of this house. It is not the deputy
That is
chairman.
the point.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
is the point.
this is
No,
not,
no.
sir, this is not you or anything.
But,
this is about my house.
how can
Sir,
you-
please understand. Sir, the
Against whom is the
constitution-
privilege motion?
No, this is a
Against
privilege motion. Sir, hear me then, since you have raised that issue. This is a privilege motion against three parties. One is BJP, which very clearly says the BJP Yuva Morcha has organized a thing.
How do you
Number
know
two,
that they have
well,
organized?
this is what the report says. That is why I said privilege committee. Sir, let me tell you, 180(8) asks you, whenever I raise an issue based on the report, you institute an inquiry because this house is capable of doing it. What is challenged today is constitution. Under the constitution, I have all the freedom and the immunity to run this house with all freedom. I have all the freedom to do it. Even the courts cannot challenge what I say this. And today,
You want
few
to say
people, sir,
something?
let me say this.
I got it.
Sir, if few people gang up and challenge
No, no.
a very free discussion,
Okay.
free debate, what exactly it does
No,
happen?
no, anyhow,
No, this I want you consider it. You consider it. Why I am raising this is, it is not an issue concerning the honorable deputy
No,
chairman.
if you are
or
given-
member. It concerns the very parliament, concerns the
No.
constitution, concerns article 123,
Keshavarao-ji,
it
I'll
concerns
come to
122, and what is...
Keshavarao-ji, if you are given a privilege motion, it is for the honorable chairman to consider it. He may consider it. That's all what I can say about it.
Yes, sir.
You know, if somebody is conducting the house and house proceedings, if they are affected by organizing a demonstration against the presiding officer, it's an impediment in the proceedings of the house. It's a matter of privilege. It must be considered and it should be taken very seriously. I think government will also cooperate in this matter.
Okay, you are also part of the,
What I am trying to say, it is not something personal about you, sir. It is question of
Running the house.
protecting the honor of our presiding officers. And there was an attack outside Parliament on the presiding officer.
attack.
No, sir.
No
It is
attack.
Sir, attack on presiding officer outside is an attack on the Parliament and parliamentary democracy, sir. It is an attack on
Don't
the
stretch it
Constitution.
too much.
How it can happen? How a political
Don't
party can
stretch
do
it too
such
much.
thing? No, it is
Okay.
a serious matter, sir. It is a serious matter.
yes, Mr. Minister.
Yes, sir, mic on.
No,
Problem is
let
this.
me listen to him also. I also have to say something about it. Let me listen to him also.
सर पहले इंस्ट्रक्शन
I
माइक
heard
को ऑन
you.
कर दिया कि हमारा
I heard you.
Known as bullying tactics. This kind of rowdyism is only threatening the free debate here. What they said is,
No, no.
how did you adjourn? That means I had the discussion, I had
No,
my
please,
say, and
please.
the outsider people
please.
think that you should not.
I will
should
say
not
the
speak.
correct position. Sir.
Yeah, you look into that, sir.
No, privilege motion is a different matter that honorable chairman will look into. But I will tell you what happened correctly, please.
सर हमारा कैसे होगा ये माइक तो अभी ऑन हुआ नहीं
Mic on. Nakvi ji. Yes, please. Then come. आगे आइए. Nakvi ji, come to the front and speak then. No problem.
प्राइम मिनिस्टर सीट
Then go to another seat. Mic आ गया? No, Mr. Nakvi's mic, please put on. It is not coming. क्या हो गया mic?
सर ऑनरेबल केशव राव जी, ऑनरेबल राजीव शुक्ला जी, मिस्टर राजा और भी जो ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स ने केरला की जो घटना है उसके बारे में जो बात कही है, निश्चित तौर से हम उससे पूरी तरह से हम उसको निंदा भी करते हैं और जो भी जिन लोग भी उसमें शामिल थे उस घटना में और उसको हम किसी भी तरह से जस्टिफाई नहीं करते। एक चीज़ हमें ये बात जानकारी में आई कुछ समाचार पत्रों के माध्यम से, अखबारों के माध्यम से और कुछ हमारे ऑनरेबल मेंबर्स ने हमें इस बारे में जानकारी दी कि इस तरह की घटना केरला में हुई है जिसमें कि ऑनरेबल डिप्टी चेयरपर्सन किसी प्रोग्राम में जा रहे थे और कुछ लोगों ने उसमें प्रदर्शन इत्यादि किया। हम हमारे संसदीय कार्य मंत्री श्री एम वेंकैया नायडू जी ने, हमारे पार्टी के नेशनल प्रेसिडेंट श्री अमित शाह जी ने उसके बारे में केरला स्टेट यूनिट से रिपोर्ट्स मंगाई है और हम आपको विश्वास दिलाते हैं कि अगर किसी भी तरह की इस तरह की घटना जो कि ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन डिप्टी चेयरमैन के गरिमा के अनुकूल नहीं थी, हम उसकी पूरी तरह से निंदा भी करते हैं और जिसने किया उसके खिलाफ कार्रवाई भी करते हैं।
Okay, I think, see, I tell you, you heard what Honorable Minister has said. No, what happened is only, see, it's perhaps a misunderstanding. It's a misunderstanding. I believe it is a misunderstanding. Some people, I don't say which party and all that, they blocked my car and showed black flag, that is all, that's all. And because they have some misunderstanding about what happened here. That they said it also in there, and this is what happened. That is due to a misunderstanding. And since in the light of what Honorable Minister has said, I think we should close it. I have no personal complaint. Now, let me complete. And I would say, I have no personal complaint at all on this matter. I have no, otherwise I would have officially, if I had a personal complaint, I would have officially informed the government here, or I would have informed the government of Kerala for taking action, for taking I would have, to prosecute them. I could have asked them. I didn't do any of this because I have no personal complaint. I also know it is due to a misunderstanding. But my point is, since the minister has said that he has taken it seriously and he condemns it, I think we should close it. And therefore, I request why you press for the privilege motion now in the light of what the minister has said.
Enough to drop it.
So don't press for the privilege motion.
We are not bringing you to the subject at all. This kind of threats, it is not you or anything. Anything that happens here, any free debate that happens here, if you try to arm twist it, hamstring it, or you try to bully it, that is what exactly
That they have
122
condemned.
takes note. What he said is, I make welcome.
He has condemned.
Today he has
In the-
condemned it. So we should take necessary action to see that such things don't happen where the freedom or the free debate is impeded. Yeah.
Okay.
Condemn what had happened in Kerala. We strongly.
No.
No. It shows the magnanimity of the Honorable
No,
Deputy Chairman. But
I know.
Blocking a vehicle of a Honorable Deputy Chairman is to be condemned like anything.
No, it is.
No. Whatever the reasons, I myself
No,
and
no.
our
Government
present
itself-
members are associated.
Yeah.
with the sentiments expressed by our senior member.
Yeah. That is
so we
okay.
strongly condemn it.
Okay. In any case, since government has condemned it, and I also said that it is maybe due to a misunderstanding of those who did the job, and I also said I have no personal complaint. In the light of all this, we can close the matter, and I hope Mr. Keshav Raji will not press his, I hope you will not press your privilege motion. With this, yeah. Now start. No, Keshav Rao's privilege motion, not your privilege motion. Not your privilege motion. Keshav Rao has given a privilege motion on some other subject. About that only I said.
वो तो नहीं है ना.
Only about that.
I suddenly heard you on the television. I came running that you are giving some ruling on
No.
the.
I only said, I hope Keshav Rao ji will not press his privilege motion. That's all what I said. That's
But
all.
Benji,
Not her privilege motion. That is under Behenji's privilege motion is under consideration. मैंने बहन जी को बोल दिया, बहन जी satisfied है, वो तो under consideration है. बहन जी, yeah.
No, but I thought the demand was since the minister made the statement in the house.
No, that is, yes.
So she should make
No.
amends for that demand in the house.
No, that let the privilege motion which is under consideration, Honorable Chairman, let him consider that and we will come back to you.
So, if I understand, the ruling is that since the privilege motion is there, it's consideration of the chairman.
Yes.
So, this point that she raised, that the minister
pending.
that the minister should apologize in the house for misleading by untruthful statements, that is not under consideration. It will come under the ambit of
Because it is ambit to the privilege motion.
Privilege motion.
Once already
Am I
there.
right? Is that what you're saying?
It is in the ambit of the privilege motion. Yeah. Now, okay. Now we take motion of thanks on the President's address. Sri Jagat Prakash Nadda to move that an address be presented to the President in the following terms that
Under what rule?
of India, our president gives an address to the house, both the houses, revealing the policies of the government, which he heads. The entire government runs on his name. Mr. Nadda is a part of that government. He doesn't thank his own address. What I want to tell you, tradition. If you are trying
Okay.
to withdraw, say, look here, I have been in this house
Okay.
as much as you have been. Sir,
All right.
the tradition is.
No,
I'm not saying, but
Nakviji,
see, I'm
several
not-
times.
I'm not
Don't worry.
trying to
Being a point of order, let me listen to.
The tradition is, the practice, Mr. Rakwi, I'm only addressing the chair, the practice is usually the house thanks the president for is revealing the policies of the government and also going and taking the house into confidence.
So what is your point?
That is why I said point of order or it could be point of tradition.
Tell me.
The tradition being broken, I don't know, they have a right to do it because the rules don't speak about it. But the rule does have the spirit of it. It is not the word that carries the justice.
So what is your point?
My
Somebody has to
point
do.
is, the minister
President should
cannot,
not-
minister should not move the resolution
please, please.
for thanks. Any other man can do
Okay.
that senior man.
Now,
Then left to
please.
them.
All right, now, see,
It's very rare that I agree with Mr. Keshav Rao. But I agree today on one point, because the leader of the opposition will speak. The tradition in the House, because he is giving a speech to the Honorable President, which is vetted by the Cabinet, Union Cabinet, and the Honorable President cannot even change a full stop or a comma. So, motion of thanks that's moved by the House should be moved by somebody who's not party to that speech. So normal tradition is that as a member of the Union Cabinet, he is party to that speech. No, but he has a right as a member. But normally, I'm
But the
not
point
disputing
is-
the right. I'm not disputing the right. Baba, listen, I'm not-
That is the
I'm
point.
not-
first time.
I'm not
No.
disputing the right.
No, see,
उनके साथ
I'm-
सरकार में थे, तब भी उधर से
For
लीडर्स
me-
ने उनको
I'm
initiate
saying,
किया है.
sir,
This is not first
the-
time.
The convention keeping the dignity of the House would have been, they are very senior members of the ruling benches who are not members of the Union Cabinet. They move it. We have been, last
no,
10 years,
anyhow,
that has been the procedure.
yeah, you made a point. The point is, but as far as I am concerned,
The rule is rule, okay.
yeah, he is also a member, so I have to allow. That's the
Correct.
point.
That is the rule, I agree.
Yeah.
I agree.
Yeah.
It would have been better.
That.
You consider
yeah.
from next time.
Yeah.
Thanks for your advice. We know about it.
Yeah. See, the concept, Yechuriji, the concept of better and worse is subjective. That is the problem.
Sir, with them particularly, it's very subjective. What is better and what is worse?
Therefore,